The TopMate ES32 Trike Scooter is designed with 10-inch pneumatic tires, providing improved road handling and additional legroom for a more comfortable ride. This foldable electric tricycle weighs only 34.57 pounds, making it easy to carry and store in compact spaces like small car trunks. Equipped with a key switch and a durable lithium battery, the scooter offers a charging time of 3 to 4 hours and a range of 15.53 to 18.64 miles, ideal for short commutes. The scooter features adjustable speeds with 3-gear options, allowing the rider to reach a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour, and includes a convenient reverse function. The TopMate ES32 comes fully assembled, making it a versatile option for commuting or leisure activities without the hassle of setup. With its enhanced safety features and user-friendly design, this electric scooter is recommended for users under 60 years old who possess basic balancing skills.